Got a VTR file from your internet radio device with saved stations? These contain favorites lists for vTuner-powered streaming hardware. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access and edit these vTuner station list files. Consider this essential for your toolkit: a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken VTR. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. A user with a VTR file is likely managing their internet radio stations. This file contains a list of radio station URLs and metadata used by vTuner-enabled devices, such as network audio players and smart TVs. The user's goal is often to edit, backup, or transfer this station list. The VTR file is typically a plain text or XML-based file. This simple human-readable structure was chosen for easy parsing by various hardware devices with limited processing power. It's designed for interoperability and straightforward modification, containing elements like station names, stream URLs, and genre information for playback. For viewing and interaction, VTR is most commonly opened via vTuner from Nothing Else GmbH. Windows provides limited insight into this file, showing only basic attributes. Windows allows editing, but values should be modified only with a solid understanding of their purpose. Let's check the software manifest. Right-click your VTR file and select Open With. Test vTuner if it is installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different program. We are looking for the right interpreter. If you still cannot open your VTR file, that is okay. If you've reached this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, importing on vTuner device. Connect your vTuner-enabled receiver or streaming device to the network and access the vTuner web portal at radiovtuner.com. Using the device's MAC address, upload the VTR file through the Favorites import function. The stations sync to your device, appearing in the Favorites menu for one-touch access to preferred streams. Next, examining in text editor. Open the VTR file in Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code to view the station list as readable text. Each entry typically contains a stream URL, station name, and metadata. Copy individual URLs into VLC Media Player or other internet radio applications to test stream availability and listen outside the vTuner ecosystem. Finally, migrating to alternative services. Since vTuner service availability has decreased, migrate stations from VTR files to TuneIn Radio or VLC playlist format. Extract stream URLs from the VTR file and add them as favorites in TuneIn or save as M3U playlist for VLC. This preserves your curated radio station collection in actively maintained services. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.